Guys, this is it. Oh, I don't know what to call this, but it looks and tastes so good. No, this is dead meat you're taking. Is that how you be taking meat? Please, please, please. That's I just needed.
Doesn't need the taste.
That's another piece of meat. Hello, Lade. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lade. Today is another cook with me video, and I'm going to be showing you, see, this food I want to make. I don't even have a name for it, so let's just say it's a cook with me, and when we're done, I want you guys to give it a name in the comments. Okay, I'm just putting some ingredients together. It's almost going to be like chili. If you've had American style chili beans, but this is not like it. It includes meat and beans and some vegetables, but that's about it. So I don't know what we would call it, and it's one of the things I'm eating to keep fit and just live healthy. Since we're at home and we're on lockdown, I usually would meal prep. I even have some meal prep things in my freezer, like on smoothies and all of that. But this one, I'm home and I can quickly just think, what do I have, and then put it together. The children have a different timetable and they've already had their food, so yes, let's get cooking. So guys, I'm going to be using some beans. We just boiled this is less than a cup, it's half a cup of beans. Then this is some beef. I had beef in the freezer, boiled beef, and we just kind of took it out and cut them in big chunks. Then I have onions. I've also cut the onions in big chunks, carrots, and then I have saint leaf or efirin and some garlic. Where is my ginger? I need small ginger inside. I'll add a little bit ginger as well. I'm also going to be seasoning with bouillon powder, salt, and then I'm going to be thickening with corn flour. So guys, we're going to, I have put some water on the stove, and the first thing I'm going to put is the beans. They're already soft. My hands are clean, don't worry. Let me show you how soft they are. See, they're already soft. And then I'm going to put the beef, and I'm going to put the carrots, because all of these need to cook on time. Not on time, they need to be like soft and nice. So my water is not enough. I'll add some more water to this. So this is what I have. Let's add some water. And I said earlier that this portion is just for my husband and I. Yes, baby?
I want yam.
You want yam?
Yeah.
That's what the children had for breakfast. Okay, you want yam, I'll give you yam, okay? This is what I think.
Yeah.
So put some more water. So another cup of water. Okay. And we're going to allow this, bring it to a boil. Allow it cook for a little bit. You know what? I decided, let me just add, I have ginger, garlic, and efirin. Efirin is the vegetable I'll be using in this, so I'm going to just add the ginger and garlic now. Okay, so now that this is in here, I'm just going to cover it up and we'll be back. I want it to really boil. We'll be back. So guys, I'm back and it's boiling. It looks pretty good, and I'm going to just be seasoning now. I'm going to put in some bouillon cubes, 2 small ones. I'm also going to put in some salt. Oops. And be careful, beans and salt, you have to be very careful. At this point, I'm also going to be putting in some pepper. If you've watched my video of when I did my last cook with me, when I did pepper soup, this is the same pepper, it was just in the freezer. It's pounded, so it's very rough, and I'm going to just leave it in there, but because it's frozen, it will kind of slow down the temperature of what's cooking. See, I still don't have a name, but if you guys can give me a name before I'm done, or like in the comments, I'll be very grateful. So I'm going to allow that to just be there, and I'm going to go ahead and add the onions, half of it, because you guys know that I love onions. So I just added half of the onions because I love it. It's still yet to boil because of this pepper, and I don't think this pepper is going to be enough. I really love pepper, and this is just for my husband and I. This is efirin saint leaf. I don't know the name in English. We call it saint leaf, but I don't think saint leaf is the English name. If you know the English name for efirin, please let us know down below. I'm going to just add some grounded pepper at agogo, just to be safe on my pepper levels, you know. I'm going to allow that boil before I come and add the corn flour, and let me taste it actually right now. It tastes really good. I'm going to be adding some teriyaki sauce just because I have it at home, and I want the stock or sauce to be really rich and nice, so that's why I'm going to add some teriyaki sauce, and this is about 2 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce, and I'm just going to allow it to boil really well, and I'll come back to add the rest of the onions and the corn flour to make it thick. So this is it. I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back, and this has been on here for about 3 to 5 minutes now. Oh, it looks so good. It looks so good. Now this is the corn flour. I diluted it with some water. Let me just mix it again because that's dissolved. Please, if you hear any voice, that's Zoe's voice. Please just pardon us. We're on lockdown and we're home. So now I'm just going to add that in there. I hope this thickens it enough. And the thickening should start happening. Yeah. Not thickening it anything. Can you guys see if it's thickening or not? It's not thickening. Actually, it's getting thick. But now I'm going to add the rest of the onions to it. I can totally meal prep this, but what I'll do differently is that I would cut the beef in smaller chunks, because this is a pretty big chunk. So I just added more. Now it's really thick, which is fine by me. More corn flour mix. Now it's really thick. There's still soup in it, liquid, but it's so thick. I love it. And I'm going to turn off the stove now. But that last onion I put in there, I don't want it to get I don't want it to steam too much where I don't see it, because onions can disappear. So what would you call this dish? What would you call it? Looks yummy. Let me try it now. Let me try it for all of you. It tastes amazing, and my husband is going to be the verdict since we're on lockdown and he can let us know. This video is definitely going up after, so this cook with me is definitely going up after my Facebook live, so I'll add the link. And if you want me to make like a special video for YouTube on how to maximize the lockdown for your marriage or in your marriage, let me know. Zoe, you want to say hello? Babe, what's the time? Babe, what's the time? What's the time?
48.
It's 3:48, so I'm on time. My Facebook live starts at 4. Zoe wants to say hello. Come and pick you up. Say hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Are you happy? Are you having a good day?
Yes, mommy. That's your makeup.
That's my makeup. Yeah, that's my makeup. Is it beautiful?
Yes, it's beautiful.
It's beautiful. Zoe, where's Safi?
Safi.
Okay, so I'm gonna go do that now, and I'll be back to taste the food and eat it and tell you guys how it tastes like. Have you come up with a name yet? Let me know. Are you ready to taste with me? Are you ready to taste the food?
Yes, I'm the chief taster.
Bye-bye. Go and cook your hair. Guys, I just finished my Facebook live and I've changed back into what I was wearing. So I want to eat. I'm actually hungry. It's my first meal for the day. So let me come and go and eat. Let's have the food. Already I'm hungry. I like eating at this time, like after the food has calmed down a little bit. I don't like eating like when the food is hot. So yeah, let me go and serve it. Guys, this is it. Oh, I don't know what to call this, but it looks and tastes so good. As soon as I said that, my husband stopped and corrected me. He said, "You created it, so you should be able to give it a name." And that was a whole message in itself, guys. That's him when he was saying it, and he got pretty upset. But then when I tasted it, that's when I realized I tasted like chili. So now I'm going to call it my version of Nigerian chili Naija style. But it's just a message, like if you create something, don't be shy to give it a name. I hope somebody learned something from that. Be honest though, because this is my first time creating this stuff. Oh, babe, guy.
Oh my God.
What would you call it? See, this one is begging. What would you call it?
I don't know.
No, this is dead meat you are taking. Is that how you be taking meat? Please. That's I just needed.
Doesn't need the taste.
That's another piece of meat. Let me take a piece that has the meat, and then I'll take a piece that doesn't have the meat. Onions, everything else.
Sorry. What if you open your
Babe, I'll be doing now. It reminds me of chili.
Daddy.
Yeah, this is my own version of chili. Yeah. God. Naija chili. Naija chili beans. Thank you for watching, guys. Please give the video a thumbs up. Until next time, don't forget to be the best version of you. Bye.